Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Tapshi Tech and Reviews. In today's video, let's understand the timer and stopwatch feature in Casio. So most of the Casio digital watch have similar timer and stopwatch features. So let's understand the timer and stopwatch feature in today's video. So yeah, before that, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel. So that would help me a lot. That would help me grow in YouTube. So yeah, please do subscribe to my channel, guys. So let's get started. So I want to keep this really short. So let's go to timer. So there's the timer feature. So you can use this search button to start. So you can use the search button to start something like this. So it will start the timer. If you want to pause or stop, just press this search button again. If you want to continue, press this search again. So if you want to reset, just press the search and then press the adjust button. It will reset. So you can change this timer to any custom value. So for that, what you need to do is just long press adjust, and here you can set the timer to desired number. So I'll just change it to 0. So let me keep it to 0, and here I want just 2 minutes. Just save this, that's all. For 2 minutes you can run this timer something like this. It will start, you can pause, you can continue, you can pause, and you can press the adjust button to reset. So that's how timer will work. So next, let's talk about the stopwatch feature. So if you press the mode button again, you'll be able to see stopwatch. Same way, you can start the stopwatch by pressing search. It will start the stopwatch. So timer will be from backwards, like countdown it will start, whereas stopwatch will start from 0, and it will start from 0, and it will keep increasing. That's a little difference between stopwatch and timer. So you can just press the search again to start, search again to stop. So when it's running, and if you want to record a time, but you want the stopwatch to keep continuing without interrupting that, what you need to do is just press this adjust button, so you can record this time. This way you can record a lap time. So it has taken 25 seconds, but in the background the stopwatch will keep running. So if you press this adjust again, you'll see uh, the continued value from where it was supposed to. So it can again stop and see the lap time. Press this adjust again to continue. If you want to reset, then just press the search and then press the adjust, just like timer. So that will reset the stopwatch. So yeah, so that's a little bit about timer and stopwatch on Casio watches. So let me know if this was useful in the comment section, and please do subscribe to my channel, guys, if you have not done so. That would really help me. So that's all in the video. If you like the video, please do hit the like button. If there are any queries, please post it in the comment section, and do subscribe. Let's catch you next video. Until then, see you. Bye.